Alright, here's the deal. If your Whirlpool, Kenmore, Roper, Amana, or Crosley washer is acting up, it's time to give it some act right. We're going into diagnostic mode to read those error codes and figure out what's really going wrong. No fluff, no BS, and don't worry, you still don't need any tools experience or a stupid expensive repair guy who would charge you $150 to do what I am about to show you how to do for free in less than 5 minutes. 1. Enter diagnostic mode. Turn your washer off, no lights on. Then turn the control dial to the 12 o'clock position. You got 6 seconds to turn it 3 clicks clockwise, 1 click back, and 1 more clockwise. If you did it right, all the green lights will start flashing. If not, reset and try again, just turn it faster. 2. Display error codes. Now turn the dial 1 click clockwise, hit the start button, and turn the dial 1 more click clockwise. Boom. First error code. 1 more. Just repeat it to pull up to 4 codes. If there's no issue, the sensing light will flash to tell you it's all good. 3. Decipher the codes. Here's where it gets real. Each code has 2 parts, F and E. The lights on your control panel are what's going to tell you what's up. Get a piece of paper and write this down. First, look at the sensing light. Is it on or off? Sensing light on equals the F code. Sensing light off equals the E code. Then once you write those down, write the corresponding numbers that appear with each light blink. No light equals 0. Wash light on equals 8. Rinse light on equals 4. Spin light on equals 2. And finally, cycle complete equals 1. Add the numbers of all the illuminated lights on each blink and assign it to its letter. Example is E5F3. 4. Exit diagnostic mode. Done reading the codes? Just turn the washer off and you're out of diagnostic mode. Simple. Now that you've got your error codes, here's what you can do next. Want to know what the code means? Either download my Bible in the description or Google vertical modular washer and then the error code. Watch the next video where I'll show you how to find the parts you need cheap and fast. No more overpaying. Or if you're fed up and want to replace it, check out the video at the end of this one, where I'll show you how to buy a new one for pennies on the dollar with a hack nobody knows. Either way, I've got you covered. Let's get this washer back on track. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.